Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason, Liz, and Wyatt, and we're actually all together today to do a little unboxing.
There's some stuff in here.
Yeah, so Fair RC Mods, or Fair RC.
Thank you, Fair RC.
Yes, they reached out to us and asked us if we wanted to review an RC, one of their modded RC cars. So of course, we jumped on the opportunity.
Thank you, Fair RC.
Yes. And we're going to review this super cool RC car. And before we get too far, I will have a link to this in the description.
Look, it's in a neat box. It says Fair RC Mods.
Yeah, they have their own box. So basically, if you're not familiar with Fair RC, yeah, they are an online hobby store, but they also take,
I think there's some kind of suction.
yeah, several brands of RC cars, and they do modifications to them, and like paint jobs and all sorts of things, and then they sell them at a really competitive price. So we're going to check this one out here today and see what we have.
Cool box.
Yeah, that is really super. There it is, Fair RC Mods. And this one started,
The business card.
yeah,
Hey, what's one?
this started life as a FMS
Send me your
FCX10
address, I'll send it to you.
LC80. And this thing is super, super cool. And we'll go over some of the features
Fair RC Mods book.
of this truck.
Oh, well, look at that.
I mean, this
That's a
is
cute looking truck.
this is an awesome thing.
Oh,
It's
look how it's painted. Oh, it is definitely girly. They were thinking of me.
okay, so I'm going to explain
Look at it.
the mods they did to this thing.
What is this thingy?
It's a Toyota LC80, so it's a Land
Look
Cruiser.
at it.
And what they've done is they put a new body on it, painted it white,
Oh my god.
and they did this awesome three-tone
Quiet, check that
decal
out.
job to it,
And
which
it's got
looks
seats
great.
in there.
Yeah, it's got a full
And
interior,
a person.
a driver,
Oh, look. Wyatt, that looks like you.
but the other,
Let me have the picture.
okay, let's see
Here's
here.
Wyatt. Here's Wyatt.
Wyatt's driving it?
Yep, Wyatt's driving it.
Okay. But the other part of the mod is check out the wheels and tires on this thing. You do not see this out of the box very often.
Oh,
What
nice
are
wheels and
what are
tires.
those wheels made out of?
There's FMS stuff all over
Yes,
this.
the wheels are metal.
Is this an FMS truck?
Yeah, this is an FMS.
Oh, well then that's why.
Yeah, but these are Batrazi aluminum beadlocks, Batrazi, what do they call that? Precipice tires, 1.9 tires. And I've heard really good things about these tires, and they feel pretty
We'll
good.
have to create something to go up here. Maybe like
Some
a
luggage.
dolphin.
A
Carry
dolphin.
in a pool.
Who has a dolphin on the top?
In a pool.
Okay.
Swimming.
But this is a super cool looking 10 scale
Oh, look at
RC
that.
crawler.
It comes with some kind of
Oh yeah,
bumper.
that is another one of the things it comes with. It comes with an extra bumper.
Oh, we'll have to do a live me putting that bumper on.
There might actually be another bumper in there. I'm not sure. Check that
Can
bag.
we?
Yeah, we can do
Remember
that.
last time we did a live and I did the bumper put on?
Oh yeah, you're missing something.
Well, there's another bumper.
That is the Fair RC mod bumper. That is, I think they call that the Rhino bumper. So we have three bumper
oh, we
options.
Get a choice? You don't put one on the back, one on the front?
No, you can either choose one of the
Can't we
three.
put one of these on the back?
No, you do not put a front bumper on the back of a car. But that one's
This one has
3D
lights.
printed.
How do you take the body off?
Oh, that is really cool. Okay,
Oh, those
so
little twist things.
yeah, Wyatt's gonna try to take the body off. It just got a little twist and then it pops up.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, the guy comes with a hat. Look at all these little options. Wyatt, you can wear a hard hat. Look.
Now, if you want to see the first run of this FMS over
Is the door open for
on
to have it?
our Crawler County world-class crawling and trail park, make sure to subscribe now because that will be within the next day or
A
two of this
sticker.
video release.
What is going on? What'd you say?
Well, I just reminded everybody to subscribe if they want to see the
Okay.
first run.
Look.
Liz
there's
is a little
sticker inside
behind the times
cap.
here.
Jason, you're always behind the times. I'm up to date. Look.
You got a little hat there.
It comes with little metal things to screw it on his head, I think.
Oh, that's
What are
metal
those?
things. Oh, those are pins. Those are, I think those are hex pins. Those
For
are
his
just,
hat?
no, not for his hat.
Oh.
For the wheels.
Why would it be in the hat sack?
I don't know.
That's
I
kind
don't
of
think
cringe.
you can put the hat on this guy.
How are you
But
supposed
let's-
to get the hat on the guy?
I don't think it goes on the
Maybe-
guy.
It does.
Maybe you have to cut the window out.
I think there's a little sticky tape that you stick it onto his head with.
How do you get to his head is what
Well,
I'm saying.
you got to take the interior out.
Can we go through that top thingy?
I believe
Up
it's
here?
like double-sided taped in there maybe.
I'm not worried about the guy's hat.
But let's take a look under the
Is there a hole on top?
at the truck here. It's got a 32 turn, I think it's an FMS branded motor. It's got a 2-in-1 receiver ESC. I believe this is like a Fly Sky branded
Plane
receiver
flying over, so I
ESC.
can hear you.
Fly Sky controller, looks pretty nice. It's got straight axles underneath, metal links. Very, very
It has
nice.
some Toyota
Yes.
pictures.
We got some cool Toyota stickers there. Oh, we gotta check this out. Now look, there's no wires to work the lights.
Alright.
Now check it out. Take a look. I'll let you guys figure it out yourself.
Magnet. Or they just
Oh,
touch.
that's neat.
That is really cool. I wish everybody
They
do.
that?
Yes, FMS does this here.
FMS or RC?
Fair RC.
Fair
Fair
RC
RC
does
is
it?
responsible for the new paint job and the graphics and the wheels and tires. But other than that, it is an FMS underneath, and
Oh,
that's
wow, they did a good job with this stuff.
and Fair RC gave us the extra bumper as well.
So we got a
This is
Wow.
one of a kind. You cannot buy this color from
The
FMS.
lights came on.
poor people out there who want one.
Yes.
You're gonna have to call me for that business card.
Fair RC. We'll have the link in the
I'll send
description
it
to
to
buy
you.
this thing because
I'll
that
send
is
it to you.
an incredible looking RC car.
It has even like matching lights that match this first,
That is so cool. Even those light up top.
and it looks like maybe a light in there.
Maybe.
Something's lit up in there.
It's got a ladder on the back.
Oh, why is moving it?
Oh, it's got a 2-speed transmission too. I'm not sure which button does the 2-speed. You can control the lights.
Yeah, this little thing on the remote.
Oh, that's
check out
pretty
the
cool.
remote. Is it a nice remote?
It's a Fly Sky.
That's nice.
Yeah. Looks like it has turn signals, hazards maybe. Did you have hazards on there for a second?
No.
I thought they were blinking. Maybe it was just your turn signals. Yeah, you got hazards.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
That's just when I turn my remote off.
Oh, okay. It's just telling you your remote's off. Well, dang, I wish you could turn on the blinkers. I got to have to figure something out there because that's pretty cool.
Everybody needs to look up Fair RC and find out how to get such a special truck.
Yeah, awesome. They did a good job with this. At the time of this video, this truck.
Thank you, Fair RC.
Now, let's let Liz guess here. You know how much some of the trucks
I
are.
don't want to have them look it up. I don't want to talk about price on here.
Yeah.
Just look it up.
Okay, it's a
Call
very,
Fair RC.
very good deal.
Maybe they'll do you a good deal.
And we'll have the link in the
Have
description.
a good day.
We'll see you later, and we'll have the first run video up here real soon. So
Good night.
have a good one.